let's just get started. So this video is briefly just introduce you guys about how you're gonna make the captions by using the latest I can't say latest, it's kind of like a popular models. It's called Whisper, the Final Cut Pro, and also this first one is the video draft without any caption, I think. And this another project is yeah, I think this one, yeah, this one is about this one is about using the caption burner to burn the captions inside the video instead of the just instead of doing this manually. So I think what we used to do is let me just switch back to this one. So yeah, what we used to do is just find the tag, find the frame or maybe the range, and then add this titles by ourselves. So caption burner, you see, this is kind of like a plugin that you are downloaded from their website, and also you install this plugin. And by doing that, you can just import the SRT automatically, because SRT is a file that aligned with your timestamp, whatever. If you want to add the captions, right, between this range, you need to first add the caption at the top, and also make sure the caption aligned with this range. Yeah, so this make it a little bit easier for you to generate this captions. Yeah, enough of the talking. Let me just cut to the chest. How to make these things happen. So we first let's go to this project, right? So here I just let me just duplicate project. So let's switch this project and delete the useless stuff, because this is purely for lecture. So you just remove everything. Yeah, and also you see this time frame, right? So it's about 2 minutes length. The video record is about 2 minutes length. So what we're gonna do now is just export this one to purely just audio instead of the whole video, because the AI will only analyze the audio. So there's no point that we upload the whole video to the AI, right? So let's just Command E and setting. Yeah, I already made some initial settings, so we can here just go straight to the audio only. Yeah, but make sure the audio format is WAV. The format is WAV, because this format is only can only be recognized by the AI. Yeah, so I can't just use the MP3 or export this one. Click next. Just sample. Save it. Yeah. Now we go back to the desktop, and let's Ctrl C and paste to the transcript and paste it here. So the reason why you need to paste here is because I use some batch command So this is specifically for generated SRT. I must make sure everything is organized within this folder. Next thing is I'm gonna use the Docker to prepare the AI environment, because that's why I just search on the GitHub and found out this repo. This is good because this author had already finished most of the work by leverage the Docker, so it just save us a lot of times. It's kind of like a low hanging fruit for us. So yeah, the first thing first, I try to make sure the Docker is running, and just follow their instructions here, right? So you need to choose the right model. I would just go with the V1 version, because I heard people saying about this one being like well recognized and quite precise. Yeah, but the one thing you should be careful is that the bigger the model sizes are, the slower it will generate things. So the first thing you need to just download the model. You see I have downloaded this model. I downloaded 3, yeah, but anyway, most of the time I'm gonna use a medium or large. And then you're gonna just use this command here. So what this command do is it will start to pull the image and create a container. So and also you can see this model, this author just showed us example by using the smaller one. And audio path is what are the path you would like to choose for your output. And also this is some just example here. So what it looks like when it is generating stuff. This is some params for you to customize your AI. So let me just show you this alias, what it looks like for this alias. So cat, yeah, so this is my environment files. So at the bottom you should be able to see this alias. So then it just use the Docker image, and the model I just use a large V1. Another parameter is the output format. I'm gonna just make sure you choose SRT, because SRT is something we want instead of TXT, because TXT the timestamp is a mess. We don't need that. And also you can see the last param is translate to true. The default value is false, which means, for example, if you are talking in Japanese, it will just generate the Japanese language instead of English. So that's why if you want to have the both, you need to generate twice. So first time you just try to make this to be false, and you generate the for example Japanese. Next time you just make sure this one is default to false. So I think with this setting, let's try out, right? So true means it must be English. What I'm gonna do is try to use alias. So now it started to load the model first inside the image, Docker image. You see it's load the model and everything, and yeah, what you need to do now is just wait. Took quite a long time. I think it took about 5 minutes, but it used to be short amount of time. So if you choose the smaller models, I think last time I tried the medium one or small one, it kind of like just within few seconds, I think. But anyway, so let's test out the outcome. So now we have already, you should be able to see the alt path sample SRT, right? So see this just sits here, this one. So let's just drag this over to our Final Cut Pro. Here, right? This is the teaching the clips. So is it? Let me think. Yeah, I will now show the different, right? So if you import this SRT straight away to the Final Cut Pro by using the captions features. Now let's see, transcript here, SRT. Yeah, you click this one. Yeah, now you should still be able to see the captions. Let me first make it smaller. Yeah, you see, but the issue about this is you can't really modify or fine tune the background or the style of the this whole captions. It really limited. Let me show you. So if you double click this one, you see this is the text. You can, of course, you can adjust the time frame or the text, but you see here format only has bold, it is underline, right? So text color, it's just text color, right? It's no other features, it's just so plain. I think this is not enough for us because most of the time I think this one's so ugly, right? You can't really make it bigger, and also because this video clip will be just uploaded to the TikTok, and you need to make sure the captions moved a little bit upper instead of here, otherwise this one gonna be blocked from the TikTok layout. So you need to make sure this caption is at least 80% upper, and yeah, so well aligned, but the issue is it's just not so friendly, right? No one wants to see these kind of captions, so let's just remove this one to try to burn the SRT inside the video. So we go back. Now we're gonna choose this caption burner, right? With a Q, yeah. So now you should say the caption is sits right at the top of the timeline. So now let's go to this caption burner. You see this plugin is kicked in, right? And import the SRT we just generated. Transcript SRT is here, so import. What the hell? Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna choose this one. Now we import, replace all of it, right? You see this is what it looks like. So they are so loud, just ignore them, it's just so annoying. Now you save it, and font size you can see, make it bigger, and also make it transparent, and edit this one to make it a little bit upper here. No, let me first try to select all of it and try to move up. If you play this one, you see the caption is already moved up, and playback, you see here is how it looks like, right? So now we got this embedded captions. So the good thing about this one is you can just edit this transcript by adding the multi-language, right? Maybe this is a Japanese, right? It's kind of like Japanese or whatever. So you save it. You should say that, yeah, you got this two transcript, right? They're just so annoying, right? It's just why do they speak so loud? It's fucking like if they're fighting with each other. But anyway, it's about to end.